What slip and fall cases involved is a defect that caused somebody injury. And it is very important when somebody is injured by no fault of their own to preserve the evidence. Usually when client comes to our office, they are not sure whether they even have a case. We sit down with them and give them an explanation. The consultation is free, and we do not charge you anything until we win the money for you. The way it usually works is we ask you what caused you to fall. The best thing to do if you're ever involved in a slip and fall case, to make sure you have a photograph. If the photograph is not possible to obtain, then the next best thing is to have detailed description. If there were witnesses to your fall, no matter how embarrassing it might be, please take their names and the phone numbers. Our office, through our investigators, will be able to contact them and get the statement. If it's possible, always report your slip and fall case to the immediate supervising person in the area where it occurred. If it is a supermarket slip and fall, usually there's a duty manager who you'll be able to talk to and give your name and number and show them where the defect occurred. If it is near somebody's home and there is a defect with a payment, it would be okay for you to knock on this person's door and say, this is what's happened and this is what caused my fall. If it is an ice, it's usually, and it's a parking lot, find a security guard or anybody else. If that's not possible or you're injured seriously that it requires immediate trip to the emergency room, do not worry about it. Come to our office and we'll make all the reporting for you. The next steps usually is your medical bills. Because clients often ask, number one, do I have a case? Number two, how much is my case worth? It's easier to determine whether you have a case or not based on evidence. Sometimes it's hard to determine in the very beginning how much your case is worth. But once we receive all your medical bills and reports, our team of trained attorneys is able to determine pretty quickly what the case is worth. What we usually do, we have attorney meetings once a week, and during that meeting we discuss every case that came into the firm and also other questions that might arise. We table everything and we make a joint decision. So if you have any doubts, please call us and we will sit down and talk with you. We're available 24/7. You could come to us. We make visits to the hospital and we make visits to your home. Thank you.